Hello. One of the questions we've come across recently is having to prove that the angle of the bearing of A from B is the same as 180 degrees plus x. So what we're looking for here is the bearing of A from B. So we're starting at B and we're going round to A. So that's the bearing that we're looking for. When you're doing bearings, there's three crucial facts that you need to remember. One, that you always travel clockwise. Two, you put in the north line and that's your starting point. And three, you always write your answers as 3-digit numbers. The last one's not going to be relevant for this because we haven't actually been given digits, we've just been given the letter X. Okay, so the first thing we've got our north lines already in place, so that's fine, and we know the angle that we're looking for. The next thing I would do, I use different color, is to put in a south line, because now I've got, oops, I haven't drawn that very well, sorry. Now I've got a straight line. And we know from previous experience that angles on a straight line add up to 180. Oh. So this side of the line is 180 degrees. So now we've got that, we just have to prove that this part here is the equivalent of X. Okay, so how do we do that? In the early stages of angles, one of the things you will have been taught is alternate angles, sorry. And that means if you can spot a Z, so from there up to here, and back down here, the angles in the point of the Z are equal, so that is equal to that. So now we can see that X here is equal to X here, and that's how we know that the bearing of A from B is 180 degrees plus X, because we've got the angles on the straight line which add up to 180 degrees, and we've got the alternate angles which are both equal, which give us the angle X. So therefore that bearing must be 180 degrees plus X. I hope that helps. Have a really great day and take care. Bye.